Hi, I'm Emma. I'm here with LoveCrafts and the lovely Sleep Wellness brand Eve Sleep to show you some ways to upcycle your old pillows. Let's get started.
To make a garden lounger, you will need 5 old pillows, 5 pillowcases, a sewing machine, thread, pins and scissors. Start by laying one pillowcase flat out. Take a second pillowcase, lie it directly on top of the first and then pin it in place. I've only used 3 pins, but you can use as many as you like. Make sure as well that the open ends of the cases are at the same side as each other. It's not the end of the world if they're not, but it's just quite a nice touch. Then sew all the way along the edge, as close to the edge as you can. Repeat this with each pillowcase so that when you finish sewing you have a long row of 5 cases all sewn together. This is going to become your lounger. Make sure you iron your pillowcases first, as this will make it easier to sew them together neatly. Stuff each pillowcase with an old pillow. Your lounger is now ready for lounging.